The launch of Redmi 9 seems pretty close because we are now getting more and more leaks related to this phone. In my previous video, I talked about the specifications of each Redmi 9 series device, and today the Redmi 9 was listed by an e-commerce website, revealing the full specs, the official renders, and also the price for the Philippines. Starting with the price first, the Redmi 9 is listed in two storage options, 3GB plus 32GB and 4GB plus 64GB. The price of 3GB variant when converted into Indian currency is around Rs 10,000, whereas the price of 4GB variant is around Rs 11,000. Coming to the design now, Redmi 9 comes with an anti-fingerprint texture on the back, and there is a circular design around the camera module. There is a quad camera setup on the back along with the fingerprint scanner. In short, the design is like a combination of Redmi K30 and the Redmi Note 8 Pro's design. Redmi 9 comes in at least 3 gradient colors: purple, grey and green. There is a USB Type-C port on the bottom alongside the headphone jack, and the IR blaster is there on the top. On the front, the Redmi 9 has a display with a water drop notch on top. In short, for a budget phone, this design is not bad at all. Talking about the specifications, Redmi 9 has a 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display, and there is MediaTek Helio G80 SoC. So yes, now it is confirmed that the Redmi 9 has Helio G80 SoC and not the Helio G70 as suggested by a previous leak. As the name shows, the Helio G80 sits just below the Helio G90 when it comes to the overall performance. On top of that, there is a huge 5020 mAh battery with 18W fast charging support. Coming to the camera department, the Redmi 9 has quad cameras on the back that include a primary 13MP camera, a secondary 8MP ultra-wide camera, a 5MP macro and a 2MP depth sensor. And finally, there is an 8MP camera for selfies. While we don't know when Redmi 9 is launching in India, it would be a great competitor to the Realme Narzo 10, which also comes with the Helio G80 SoC. And of course, Realme Narzo 10 has some specifications that are better than Redmi 9, for example a 48MP camera, a 16MP selfie camera and 128GB storage. So what do you think the price of Redmi 9 should be? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next one.